sunny. Yo, just stopped at the mini mart. Oh yeah, I got some supplies. You want to see my haul? I got some gum, some fishies, and I got 3 Gatorades, 3 of them. One for now, one for later, and one for Trav, because I love you, Trav. It's like I'm a real vlogger. Look at that, I got the camera rolling while I'm driving. It's like, oh fuck. Just saw the cops, I play it cool. Also G0, that's the shit, man. You don't need the sugar. So yeah, I'm driving back to the shop right now. Me and Trav there. And then we gotta rip over for loading. Probably like less than an hour now. Trav's here. Yeah, buddy! The sick ass sweater. Woo! That's heat. Yeah, boy. No sugar because we don't. Zero G. What is this? I want this so badly. Shit. No way. This place is huge. Swanky.
That's where I piss out of.
Shouty. Shouty.
Can I reach over and pet him? Oh, never mind.
You ready to rip?
Ready to rip it, bud.
In the Twink Manor?
The Twink Manor in the... shit's unhinged, bro. I love it.
Oh, you should have seen it one.
Fuck you.
They're really good.
Cat will fix it.
Yeah. You guys?
Thanks, man. Thanks for having us, eh?
Absolutely.
What a turnout.